Morning everyone. Okay, so I'm on day 2 now of my cycling adventure down onto the south coast. I've made it to the seaside, as you can probably see behind me, and I'm on this kind of curious little thing called the Hayling Billy, which is another one of these disused railway tracks that is now being turned into a cycleway and is actually part of National Cycle Network Route 2. I'd not heard of it at all, and so apparently this line opened in 1865, I think, for the London, Brighton and South Coast Railway, and this thing behind us here is the original route that the railway took to deliver passengers from Havant down to Hayling Island, which was a holiday destination for the south coast of England. But yeah, kind of interesting that. Yeah, so this railway line apparently closed in 1962. It's not part of the beaching cuts, interestingly. It was just closed by British Railways in about 1962 because it wasn't making any money. Yeah, interesting. So we're going to continue down. We're going to continue down to Hayling, onto the south coast beach. It's only about 4 miles away, so it's not a hugely long track. But yeah, join me down there. It's kind of cool. Apparently this is the old Hayling Island train goods shed. Obviously there's a bit been added on to the front of it, but now it's been converted into the Islands Theatre. Yeah, it looks kind of cool. Over there used to be the last resting place, I suppose, of the awesome force of the Klondike mine train, which came from Drayton Manor Park, but very clearly that has been changed now and is now some kind of reversion spinning mouse. So, just been to the south coast on Hayling Island beach, and I'm heading back inland again. And apparently this rail trail goes all the way back to Havant station, which you kind of expect anyway, with it being a kind of branch line off from Havant. So yeah, I'm going to try and find that route because unfortunately I've got a few mechanical problems with the bike and it ain't gonna make it back up NCN 22 on the planned route. So unfortunately I'm gonna have to get the train home, which is going to be costly, but at least I'll get there in one piece. There's quite a few little woody areas like this, just off to the left of the path, or just off to the right, depending on which direction you're heading, effectively between the path and the coast, which I think will be really, really good for wild camping, if that's what you wanted to do, not because it's illegal. But yeah, it looks like a lovely little spot, and miles away from any of the local housing. Right. Well, this is a better road surface than the rest of the Hayling Billy line.